To use Expedia's virtual credit card, start by going to expedia.com and logging into your profile or registering if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll see various options at the top of the screen, including language settings, your profile, and a search bar in the middle. When making a reservation on Expedia, a virtual card number is generated specifically for that booking, and the details, including the card number and expiration date, are sent electronically to the hotel or property. At check-in, the hotel uses this virtual credit card as a payment guarantee for your stay. After checking out, the hotel updates the virtual credit card details to reflect the actual stay, and Expedia handles the payment. This process streamlines payments and ensures the hotel receives payment promptly. For more detailed information, you can refer to Expedia's documentation or contact the support team. Using Expedia's virtual credit card is a straightforward process that provides a convenient and secure way to manage your bookings.